Hello everyone, welcome back to Blossom Elite. My name is Ishita and in today's video I have again got resin coasters for you. Okay, so in this video I'll be using fresh orchids for resin coasters and there's a really fun trick that I'll be telling you in the video and I really hope you guys like it, and if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so you will be updated whenever I post a new video. So okay, without further ado, let's get on to the video. So for the material, we'll be needing coaster mold. I'm using uncircumcised coaster mold, resin, flowers and leaves. I'm using orchid. If you have blowtorch, you can use blowtorch, or you can also use lighter, which I'll show you in the video. Next we'll need gloves, which is very important, plastic cups, plastic spoons, silver leaf, that is again optional, and the face masks, which is very important. So we'll start by mixing our resin. The resin that I'm using is epoxy resin, which is in the ratio 3:1. I'll link down in the description box below if you guys are interested in buying the resin. I'll also link down the coaster mold that I am using. So for this video I am using fresh orchids, which is a white colored orchid. I wanted to use the yellow flowers for this video, so I really wanted to try this hack. Like, what I did was that I used white orchids, which are fresh orchids. So when I pour the resin onto the orchids, like the white orchid, its color changes to yellow. So for the start, I start by placing the orchids on my mold the way I want them to be. Then I also used stems of orchids, and I have also used some dry flowers that I had lying around in my house. So again guys, there is no restriction in art. As I always say, you can do whatever you want and however you want it. So let's continue. So after I was done placing the flowers and the stem into the mold, I started pouring my resin with the help of a spoon, as you can see. So for the mixing of the resin, I would always recommend using plastic spoon, as plastic spoon doesn't absorb resin. So next I took my silver leaf, which I started placing into the resin, as you can see. So I am taking the leaf and breaking it with my hands. Then I had dried a leaf, so I put that leaf into it, as you can see. So next I'll be using a lighter to pop the bubbles into the resin. I am showing you this hack because a lot of people do not have blowtorch, so I thought I'll try this with the lighter. So if you guys have a lighter, you can totally use it. But again guys, I would recommend using a blowtorch because this lighter can burn your hand. So guys, as you can see that the orchids have started turning yellow already, and when we'll see tomorrow, the color will look so beautiful. It will turn into a very beautiful yellow color that is gonna make our coaster look pretty.
24 hours later.
So guys, this is the final result, and as you can see, the flower has turned yellow and it is looking so beautiful. So if you guys like it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to buy my resin art, I'll link the Instagram channel on which I sell my resin art into the description box. Also follow me on my Instagram channel and let me know if you guys make these resin coasters. And okay, so let's meet in the next video. Bye.